Hello everyone! I'm so excited for today. I'm finally unboxing my Christmas journaling supplies from Journalsay. They gave me a coupon to pick some of my favorite things, and my package just got here. I picked a mix so you can see all the cute stuff they have. This one is actually really special to me because Journal Say was actually the first shop I ever ordered journaling supplies from. Their customer service was amazing, everything arrived on time, they were so nice. And well, after 3 years of being a happy customer, I figured it was finally time to do a proper review. All the links are down below if you want to check them out. Okay, so alright, let's open this box. Let's see, even the box is so pretty, guys. I'm gonna separate everything into different sections so it's easy to show you guys, like stickers, papers, stamps, stencils, and all of that. So feel free to jump around the video if you want to see something specific, alright? So let's start with the PET stickers. These are from the Merry Christmas series Vintage Snow Character Festival. Hmm. I'm actually really impressed. They are bigger than I thought and the images are so clear. Such a gorgeous mix of the winter themes and cozy little elements. Let me lay them out on my desk so you can see them better, okay? Okay, so from the same collection, I also got this other set of stickers. I just couldn't resist. The winter scenes, the snowman, Santa, and they're all so cute. I picked this because I didn't have anything like them as stickers yet, and they just feel so classic and festive. You can use them for so many different projects. Journaling monthly themes, monthly covers, scrapbooking, junk journaling, card making, you name it. So the next sticker set is from the Winter Fluff collection Vintage Christmas. These are all hot cocoa and coffee cups in cute Christmas mugs, cupcakes, gingerbread cookies. So cozy. I love the soft colors and the warm holiday vibe. They will look adorable in a winter spread or even on gift tags. Okay, so next up, more coffee stickers. These are larger stickers with that cozy vintage cafe vibe, all hot coffee cups, desserts, and warm tones. Perfect for coffee lovers or for adding that comfy vintage touch to your journal pages. Let's take a look. And these are also from the same collection. These are so cute. I love these coffee cups. Let's take a look. Next, I can't wait to show you these couple sets I got from the Morning Beauty series Vintage Character Flower Collection. These are vintage girl stickers and they are so cute. Let's look at them. So I also grabbed this huge pack of 100 vintage flower stickers. There are so many paper stickers. Let me show you. They're perfect if you just want something simple. On their own, they look beautiful, or you can pair them with a curl or a character sticker. Honestly, sometimes that's all you need if you only have like 10 minutes to spare. So let's unbag all these flowers so you can take a look. Now I also got 100 vintage character stickers. There are so many. There are so many character stickers here. It will be impossible to go through them one by one. So I'm just gonna try to do my best and show you as much as I can. Okay, get them on the desk so you can really see all the details. Okay, next let's take a look at these city girl stickers. So let's take a peek. Next up is the Girls Handbook Series sticker book. I grabbed the green one this time. The stickers are all pre-cut, which I love because it makes everything so easy. And just look at the shade of green. It's giving lazy weekend vibes. So let's see how these look up close. Okay, now it's time to take a look at these PET tapes. All pre-cut too, which makes things so easy. There's one in warm browns, a soft white floral one, a purple tone, a cute vintage red mushroom one, and there's a big forest scene. It's just beautiful, so detailed and full color. And all the supplies are linked in the description if you want to check them out. Okay, so let's take a peek. This Christmas pad is really pretty. 24 pages in classic reds, and we have some greens and soft browns. The tones are gentle and kind of vintage, which I really like personally. Perfect for journaling, scrapbooking, or just writing quick notes. And here I have the other one. It's got that relaxed boho scenery with a van and tent. So calm and nostalgic. Okay, I've got these little pocket folders, a set of four in different colors. They come with all the pieces that you need. You just glue them together and that's it. You can add them to your journals or junk journals to decorate pages and hold little bits like ephemera, stickers, or notes. Let's take a quick look. Okay, so I have a set of stamps here. I'll try a few out so you can see how they look on a journal page and get a feel for their size. Let's take a look. Okay, now let me show you this cute purple stamp pad. I'll be trying it at the end of the video so you can see the shade, okay? Let's see. And finally, here is a set of Christmassy stencils. I love how festive these are. And that wraps up all the goodies I picked up. So don't forget, if you want a little discount, my code is Lily8 and feel free to use it. If you enjoyed this video, a really nice way to support it is just by liking, commenting, and subscribing. It means a lot and keeps me sharing more fun stuff like this. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.